Okay guys, welcome to the new tutorial of the Madway Productions. This tutorial is regarding KP. Okay, so the question remains the same that we used in the previous video regarding KC. It's just an add-on, so if you want to watch if you want to know about KC, you can watch our previous video. A mixture of two moles of hydrogen and 4 moles of nitrogen reacts to produce ammonia. At equilibrium, there are 0.5 moles of hydrogen. Find out the value for Kc. This we already did in the previous video. This is what we need to do right now. Find out the value for Kp if the total pressure at equilibrium is 10 atmosphere. Okay, so first of all we'll have to write the basic equation and we have to find out the number of moles at equilibrium. This we did in Kc, so if you want to watch how we did it, watch our previous video. The link will be in description. So this is basically the number of moles at equilibrium of these reactants: nitrogen, hydrogen and ammonia. Okay, so what Kp really is, Kp is the pressure constant. Kp is the pressure constant, and the formula for Kp, how to work it out, is number of moles of the specific reactant over total number of moles is equals to number of the pressure of the specific reactant over total number of pressure. I've already written it over here. If you want to take a picture of it or you want to take a screenshot, you may. Kc is directly proportional to Kp. How do we prove this? Okay, PV is equals to nRT. That we know is the general gas formula, general gas equation. So if we shift volume underneath over here, it becomes nRT over V. So N over V is concentration basically. So P is equals to CRT. Since R and T are already constant, P is directly proportional to C. Hence proven. Okay, so how do we work out first we have to work out the individual pressures of each of them, and then we'll find out the value for Kp. Okay, so we have the number of moles at equilibrium: 3.5, 0.5 and 1 of nitrogen, hydrogen and ammonia. So the number of moles of nitrogen at equilibrium is 3.5. We'll first of all work out the value for Kp work out the pressure of nitrogen. We'll use the formula. We'll make Pa the subject because this is what we need to find. We have the number of moles at equilibrium. We have the total number of pressure. We'll have the total number of moles that we had at the equilibrium: 3.5 plus 0.5 plus 1. It makes it 5. So it becomes 35 over 5. That is 7 atmosphere. In the equation, we already know that the total number of pressure is 10 atmosphere. 7 is already covered. What next is hydrogen. The number of moles of hydrogen at equilibrium is 0.5. It's 0.5. We'll use the same formula. We'll use the same values. There's 10 and 5. Just change the value of Na, that is 0.5, and that will give us 1 atmosphere. Now further on we can use 2 steps. One is easier, one is harder. Okay, harder basically I'm considering this because this is a bit time consuming. We already know that nitrogen had a number of moles 7, number of atmosphere 7, hydrogen has 1, total number is 10, and hence if we subtract these two from 10 we'll get 2. That will be the number of pressure of ammonia. We can work it out from like this: 7 plus 1 plus x is equals to 10. X is equals to 2 atmosphere. That would be the number of pressure of ammonia. Or we can use the formula, the same one, and we have the number of moles of ammonia at equilibrium, that is 1. We use the same formula into 10 over 5, we'll get 2 atmosphere. And that is how we complete 10. 7 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, we have the formula for Kp, that is product over reactant. Product over reactant. We'll write the product over reactant. We'll all multiply and divide it. So the number of moles in the equation, will become the coefficient over here, will become the powers over here. That is 2, 1 and 3. If you want me to write, I'll write 1 over here as well. 2, 1 and 3. Getting me? The number of moles in the equation will become powers over here. There becomes 2, 1 and 3. We worked out the individual number of pressures, that is 2 of nitrogen, 2 of ammonia, 7 of nitrogen and 1 of hydrogen. if we and we'll then use the powers over here, and then we'll work out the answer for Kp, that is 4/7. I hope this cleared all your conceptions and how to solve questions regarding Kp. If you want to learn about Kc, you can check out my previous video. If you want me to make any other video regarding any other topic, covering any topic if you want regarding chemistry, physics, maths, I'll gladly do it. And if you like this video, keep liking my page, subscribe to it, and share this video if you feel like. Thank you so much.